In this video, I'll show you how to install JDK 26 on Windows, step by step, in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for JDK 26 download. From the results, click on the official Oracle website. Once you're on the JDK 26 page, choose the Windows version and go ahead, download the installer to your system. When the download is complete, we're ready to install. Just double-click the installer to run it. Click Next, and keep clicking Next, following the setup steps on your screen until it finishes. Once it's done, click Close. Now, let's make sure everything is working. Open the Start menu. Search for Command Prompt and open it. Here, type Java-version and press Enter. If you see JDK 26 listed, that's it, you're all set. Nice work. Java is now installed on your system. You can start building your own Java applications right away. And if this helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tech guides.